All right, here's Angels for the first time. And hey, can you tell me about your complaints?
Yes, so I came in today with complaints in regards to the shoulder, the neck, and the lower back. When it comes to the neck, I guess these two relate because I guess one, my neck is pushed forward a bit, which is causing strain onto the spine, into the shoulder with the shooting pain into the arm. So it's causing that, tingly finger feeling.
Fingers, okay. And you used to play boxing, right?
Yes.
How long?
I used to box. I boxed within the Los Angeles area for 10 years, 11 years. If you put all the years together, I would say over the last 19-year period I've been boxing, because I never stopped. I just stopped competing.
So when was your last game then?
Last time in the ring, I would say, was 9 years ago.
9 years ago,
yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
The last game, did you win or lose?
It was
Remember?
It was a long time ago, but to be honest, I did pretty well for one of the last times in. It's just once you start getting older, the young guys that are coming up, no back problems, no, arm problems, just coming up very strong. They're usually a little hungrier, and those are the guys that, take the older guys out of the game. So.
All right. So Angels, today I'm gonna give you Graston soft tissue therapies on the neck and upper trap area to break up the scar tissues, adhesion stuff. Okay. And then I'm gonna get your adjustments. Okay.
Sounds good.
All right, let's get into it.
Sounds like a plan.
Then just let me see what you got here.
So
Gloves.
This is that old school tattooing. So you have your brass knuckles.
When did you get the glove tattoos?
I got these gloves tattooed, I would say 10 years ago. I would say 10 or 11 years ago.
What's that below the gloves?
Right here you have the brass knuckles in relation to boxing, the love for boxing, well, in general, fighting altogether. And then invincible for, during the time that I was fighting. I did pretty well. Never a broken nose, never a broken jaw. I did okay for myself.
Looks good.
So I fight lightweight 135. Yeah.
All right, Angel, let's get into adjustments now.
Let's do it.
Take this out over the way. So I'm gonna check your pelvis, everything. The pelvis is the basement of the structure. Okay. So make sure pelvis is right on good shapes. And then I go from your lumbar spine, thoracic, and then your neck. Okay. Perfect. So I want you to go ahead facing down here. Okay. I'm gonna check leg length. Okay. About ½ inch short on the left side. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it up to here, and you got even leveled up. So you might have left sacroiliac joint inferiorly, so I'll check that again. Okay. So I'm gonna palpate your sacroiliac joint. Okay. Any tender here?
Pretty good.
What about the left side?
They're both pretty decent.
Well, you sounds like a hurt. Here. I feel a little bit restricted here.
Yeah.
Okay. First, I'm going to use a drop table. Okay. So the bottom piece is going to be drop and I push, okay?
Okay. That's it.
It's okay?
That's good.
Alright, we'll do 2 more. Okay, relax your shoulder. Good. That's it. You good? Mm-hmm. Alright. And the other side?
The other side.
Let's go. Okay, relax your shoulder. Relax your back. Good.
Oh.
That's it. You good?
That was it, yeah. Thank you.
Alright. Let me see here. Alright, let's take a deep breath in and breathe out all the air out. Nice and relaxed there. That's it. You okay?
Oh yeah.
Good. Alright. Okay, one more time. Breathe in and breathe out all the air out. Nice and relaxed there. Okay.
Yeah.
That was loud.
Yeah.
All right, you can breathe better, yeah?
Oh yeah. There was
Alright.
a lot of tension coming from that part.
That's good. So now, I'm gonna climb up to the table.
Okay.
And I'm gonna adjust your left side here.
Okay.
Okay. Rotate to the right. And go ahead and relax onto my hands. Okay, drop your head, relax your shoulder. Good.
Oh man.
How you feel?
Oh, that feels good. Man, I was getting a lot of pressure.
Big release.
Oh yeah.
All right. Look straight and can you turn head to the right
All right.
and left? How you feel? Good.
I feel good.
All right. Let's
Yeah.
check the other side here.
Okay.
Okay. Relax onto my hand. Drop your shoulder.
Ooh.
Okay. Little lump there.
Oh wow.
And just relax here. Okay. Okay, relax here. That was loud. How you
Wow. I feel great.
feel? Good.
I feel great. Yeah.
Alright. Okay, take a deep breath in and breathe out, all the way out, and relax your back. Good, nice. That's it. Just keep breathing. Did you feel any pops?
What was that that's like almost like stretched and snapped? What was that?
Just just opens up the disc space and release the gas and making popping noises. Did you hear any pops? Most like
Completely.
neck.
Yeah, all the way through. It felt like like almost like a sponge like opening up.
Right.
Yeah. Wow.
Was it okay?
It was good. It was good. I got scared for a second. It was good.
You never done this before?
I've never done that
First
before.
time.
No, that was good.
Yeah. All right. Can you put both hands behind your head? Locking your finger.
Interlock.
Hold it there. I'm gonna put my hands between here
Okay.
and relax on my back. Good. Nice and relax right there. Okay. Good.
Okay.
And relax your back. Got it. And look down and lean back a little bit. Okay. Good. Let me check this side here. Relax. Okay. Good. Okay. That'll do it for today.
Perfect.
And,
Perfect.
All right.
Okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank
Okay.
you. And
Hey.